Welcome back to Prime Day, the perfect time to pick up these items. Today I'm going to talk about appliances not only make your life easier, but if you have some kind of blackout or grid down situation, these will help you out tremendously. Let's jump right into it. And of course, as always, I'll link them below. Number one, for 60 bucks, an ice maker. I mean, yeah, it's nice to have nice cold drinks, but if you have some type of therapy needed, maybe you actually hurt your knee, etc., having this countertop ice maker works very well. Oh, but if you want to step up like royalty, here we go. It's a Nugget ice maker. Do you have one of these? I love Nugget ice. Now, obviously, it's a little more of an extravagance for 160, but in my opinion, it's worth its weight in gold. I know if you live in an apartment and such, having one of these compact fridges works very well, but you know what? It takes far less power to run one of these. So for example, if you have a solar generator, in case the grid's down, it is great. So $137 and, well, different colors at different prices. You can get the black for $137. Maybe you can put stickers on it. And also great for grid down or apartments, etc., is the twin portable washing machine and dryer. I say dryer, it's a little spin dryer. It doesn't make it totally dry. We hang up our clothes after. But we've had ours for years, and it goes and goes and goes. Fantastic. It says dorms, apartments, RVs, or if the grid goes down, if you have a solar generator, you are good to go. But with that, here's a dryer. This is great. Go ahead and just hang up everything in there for $45, and it's a small, compact dryer. There you go. Now you can dry all your stuff as well. And there you go. Appliances you should have. Not only for fun and relaxation, but for emergencies too. This is great. So I'll link them all below as I always do, and we're Amazon affiliates. If you purchase those, we get a portion of the sale. Your price doesn't change, but we always take pride in keeping our channel free for you, and this helps us out, and we always say thank you for that. Put in the comments below, which of these items do you have and you love? I admit, we have the Nugget Ice Maker. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.